Good day, fellow Bitcoin investors. Today is the day for some market updates as well as market opportunities that you could use this week to generate new revenue. Are you prepared for the fantastic news I have for you today? Grab some popcorn and buckle in because we'll be updating you on potential tokens. This week Bitcoin and most of the crypto market are currently oscillating. A really harsh situation, but there is always a gem in these kind of market. So looking at crypto charts, the shitcoins or altcoins are ramping hard against Bitcoin as Bitcoin is currently pretty choppy price-wise. But on the bad side, ETH seems to be performing weak and not following the other altcoins. Another news is coming from Grayscale. Grayscale said it is operationally ready to convert its Bitcoin Trust, GBTC, into an exchange-traded fund, ETF, immediately after the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, approves its application. The crypto asset manager made this statement in response to the SEC's failure to appeal a court ruling compelling it to review Grayscale's conversion request. According to Grayscale, following the exhaustion of the 45-day appeal window, the court will issue its final mandate within the next 7 days, and its team remains operationally ready to convert GBTC to an ETF upon the SEC's approval. Small-cap tokens like Loom, TRB, and Bond are on the rise, along with meme coins like Adoge and Turbo. A large number of the rising coins on Binance are in the observation zone and could be delisted. During the weekends, when market volatility is low, whales or other large players frequently pump these coins to increase market activity and avoid delisting. The value of Privacy T is on the upswing, with its TBTC service expanding quickly, primarily due to CRV dividends. Additionally, they have modified their buyback system. LQTY and Kuji, two coins with a stablecoin premise, are gaining popularity. Recent revenue growth has been extremely rapid for both LQTY and Kuji. 50% of Kuji's tokens have already been staked, making up 98% of the total supply. The RLB with a gambling component is expanding. It has a market value of $500 million and $400 million in annual revenue. As seen on Nansen, the wise money is investing. The popularity of the NFT-based flooring protocol has lately increased, growing by 400% in a single day. The fragmentation of NFTs, a phenomena previously observed with the trading of valuable stamps, is at the center of it all, though. You may be wondering where you can acquire this token and benefit from it. As is customary, all of this coin is listed on BitGet, thus I propose BitGet as a go-to exchange. Register or sign into BitGet by accessing their website. After that, you can click Spot Trade as all the token is listed in this section. Spot Trade is like the core of crypto trading. Before you are getting further, you can deposit some USDT to trade those tokens if you haven't. Now you can find all those cash cow tokens listed there. Voila. That is all the steps to do a spot trade on BitGet exchange. But make sure you research and make further analysis with technical analysis. All tokens shown in this video is a gateway for users to earn more profits with BitGet. Also stay tuned for more BitGet events up ahead which full of bonuses and delicate rewards. Also make sure to subscribe my channel and like this video if you like these kind of info. Trade now with BitGet and be the profit surfer.